Welcome back to the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and Gino Fronte for your daily dose of real estate market updates.
Yep, and today we're going to talk about, we've been talking about rents for the last couple of days, but today we're going to talk about the 4 reasons to buy a home. There's like 20 reasons to buy a home, but these are the top 4 in 2016.
Well, at least according to Money Essentials, and they should know something, you would think.
Well, I think
essentially.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, well, we'll see what they say compared to what we've said over the last year about the reasons we think it's
I guarantee a lot of them mirror because they have to agree with most of them. So let's go to number 1. Home prices will finally calm down, meaning that they believe that they're going to finally, I don't know how much they're going to slow down, though. I'm not totally in line with this. They think they're going to slow down to only a 3.5% nationally, but I think the hotter markets are going to stay hot.
Yet to be seen, and reality is the only way this happens is if we have appreciation, inventory.
No.
The only way that these prices are going to stop rising at 4 or 5 or even 6% is if we start to get some inventory. And I don't see any inventory coming out.
Right now we're like 2 months and we need 6 months, 4 to 6 months. So we definitely don't have enough inventory. That's why we really feel the prices are going to continue to go up because the job market's been pretty steady.
Yep.
And that's why the Fed raised rates. So let's go to number 2 reason.
Dos. More homes will hit the market. Ha ha, just what we talked about. I'm not so sure, Don. I just don't know that there's that many homes that want to hit the market. And the reality is what's holding homes back in the large, expensive areas, in the metro areas, is that conforming loan limit has not gone up from 417. The adjusted loan limit has not gone up from 625. So if you're buying a house for more than $625,000, be prepared to put a bigger down payment down.
All right, let's go to number 3.
Tres.
Dirt cheap mortgages. We talk about this all the time, and they say, "Oh, Federal Reserve is widely expected to begin to increase interest rates." Guess what? They have, because this is a December 4th report. We just want to say, let you know the Money Essentials been backing us up. The Fed has already started raising short-term rates. Now, the long-term rates can be affected which means the economy might be a little stronger than we thought. That's why they raised interest rates to control inflation. So that means there is a chance that long-term interest rates could increase.
But the reason that would happen is not because the Fed raised short-term interest rates. It's because people would take money out of bonds and put them into riskier assets, such as the stock market. We're not seeing that just yet.
There you go. So let's go to number 4 of like 104 reasons to buy a home. But this is what Money Essential says. Rents will still hurt. Wait, did we talk about that?
Yep, absolutely. This is, for me, the number 1 reason that right now it's a great opportunity to stop renting and go buy a home. Interest rates are low, prices are still relatively affordable, and at the end of the day, what was that? Wow, that's a big number, Don.
It is.
Scream it out.
I had to mention, interest rates would need to rise around 6.5% for the cost of buying to equal that of renting, according to Ralph McLaughlin, housing economist of Trulia.
So, well, that's not going to happen anytime soon, right? Rates are not going to go to 6 and 6.5 like that. Now, over the next 2 to 3 years, they could, but how much are homes going to go up over the next 2 or 3 years? And if rates go up, at the same time prices go up, you could price yourself out of buying a home.
Yeah, so we always tell you, you should be paying a mortgage, but hopefully it's yours and not someone else's.
So I'm going to recoin the term we coined over a year ago. Get off the fence now. It's a great time to buy a home. And check us out every day by texting NREC to the number 58885 or check out our website,
NREcafe.com.